Okay, let's continue. So we have number 13, a US penny. So coin has a diameter of 1.9. So gindamo niya significant figures o 1.900 centimeter. Batang ta. So meaning gutay talaga answer din ni 1.9, that is LO. Original length 1.9000. Diba? Kung ko na yung differential 1.9 yan 1.9000. Diba? There's a difference for that and that's significant figures. So, kamugod. 1.900 centimeter at 20. So, this one at 20 centimeter at T1 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. The question is made of metal alloy for which the coefficient of linear expansion is 2.6. So, you have an alpha 2.6 times 10 to the 5. So, alpha, you have 2.6 times 10 to the negative 5 per Kelvin, or Kelvin to the negative 1. Okay, and then what would be its diameter be? What would its diameter be on a hot day in depth delta 48 degrees Celsius? Kung ano mo T2 is 48 degrees Celsius, ano mo change in diameter. So that would be delta L plus LO. That is the change in diameter. Oh, change in diameter or diameter? What would be its diameter? What would be its diameter be? So, ano na ko na tiya bago nga diameter? So, tira lang tiya change in diameter. Diba? Ang kaninang question ngayon, tama na ito pagpaton. Increase. Calculate the change in length. So, change in length is delta L. Pero sa meron na nga ni diameter, that would be delta L plus original. Okay? So, delta L plus original or LO plus your alpha LO delta T. Okay? So, you can now separate your LO with relative plus 1.9000 centimeter and your alpha is plus alpha 2.6 times 10 to the negative 5 per Kelvin times LO. LO is 1.9000 centimeter, and then you have a change in temperature that is 48 minus 20 degrees Celsius. Pwede tabalyan ng Kelvin because that is change in temperature. Okay? So that would be 1.9000 plus 2.6 exponent negative 5 times 1.9000 times 48 minus 20. Sa mahilabay that our new would be 1.901 sa duha tulo sa duha upat sa 0913. Ay, sorry, 04. Control Z. 04. Answer in the book, of course. Pero kung ato nini answer na atong kuha, that would be 03. But anyway, maiwas-iwas sa kanya pakianak. Kaya makikita niyo, gutela talaga't nababag-o. Meaning, and aton answer mo lagi pang given. So, kakalata ka mo. Pwede. So, watch out ka mo. Maghatag nga niya ko diretso la ano niya bag-o. So, masursayo niya. But anyway, you have to compute. Pero, usually, takipapakianan na yun. Pwede balyuan ko niya. Hinana ko lang papakianan, ni mo la change. Because the change would be a 0.01383 something. Diba? Inila takipapakiana. Ani mo la delta L. Which is 2.6 exponent negative 5 times 1.9 times 48 minus 20. So, the answer talaga ito niya, that is point, nagkuhan mo ni. Normal, number 2. 0.001383. 0.00. Answer talaga niya is 0.001383. Answer 13. Okay, so watch out ka mo ha. Itakpakian na. Ay pag sila nga warek mag-warn naman. Baing ka umarong. Mula niyo sa'yo. But anyway. Ay, may tuwat-uwat ko lang ito quiz guys. Ay kapauwat ka ito. Hindi na pauwat. Maaram. May da pa. On a cold night in the mountains of Greenland. So, negative 53. So, at negative 53, mahagkot tiya, ma-shrink tiyo tituya. Of course, magot itiya. Meaning that delta would be a negative. So, for letter B, ma-expect kita nga ma-shrink itiya delta L plus LO. That would be, of course, LO 1.9000 centimeter times, plus, you have your 2.6 times 10 to the negative 5 multiplied by 1.9000 centimeter multiplied by negative, ano to? Negative 53. Negative 53 degrees Celsius minus the original is 20. 20. So, Kelvin or degree Celsius. So, cancel kita diyan per Kelvin. Okay? So, that would give you 1.9 plus 2.6 exponent negative 5 times 1.9 times negative 53 minus 20. And that would give you a shorter version, which is, inilugod, pwede ko ni pakiana. Kahit answer na 1.8. Pero masarap sa yung gihapo kung nakakaintindi ka mo. 1.896 1.8964 centimeter. Take note nga ang Celsius gimputang niya to 3 significant figures. Dito 1.8 yan 1. Anyway, diameter. So 1.8964 centimeter. Okay, and that change would be ang change ito niya la, kung change la nimo delta L la. Delta L la, you can compute la hini nga sa nila nga side ini. So that would be a 2.6 exponent negative 5 times 1.9 times a negative 53 minus 20. That will give you a negative 0.003606. So the answer would be, first two significant figures, that would be a negative D, tapos 3 would be A, B, C. C. Tapos ano mo F, A, B, C, D, E, F. So F, D, C, F. So I think I will stick with the delta L at kipapakiana. Direk mapakianahin iya. Maliban lang kung dakong dura no tiya change. Anyway, so just take note nga pwede ko sugaron. Kapag pauwat. Okay, thank you guys for listening.